Hi, I'm Kathleen. Welcome back to the Bulldog Bakery. That's my home kitchen in Hell's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the magical ingredient that will transform everything that you bake: vanilla sugar. It's just sugar and vanilla bean, and I use it every time that I bake. And just like a sourdough starter, I started with an original batch and I keep adding to it so I never run out. So you start with a vanilla bean. Inside this pod are thousands of those little specks of vanilla bean, which is also known as the caviar. So with a knife, you're just going to slice into the pod. And then with a sharp point of the knife, I'm just going to kick all those little seeds out of the pod and into the sugar. And you can see how they've fallen onto the sugar. And then just with my knife, I'm just going to start to stir them in and just stir it into the sugar. And I'm going to keep doing that until I've removed all the caviar out of the vanilla bean. And then I'm just adding more sugar to the container, putting on the lid, and giving the whole thing a big shake. And I add the vanilla pods as well to my sugar. There's not flavor here, but there's still remnants of that caviar. And by shaking it, I'm going to get every last drop out. Then let it sit for 3 or 4 days, giving it a shake every once in a while, and then you've got your vanilla sugar. Just use it as sugar in any baking recipe. Drop the vanilla extract, you've got that covered. It really will make everything that you bake taste better. Vanilla on its own is a superstar ingredient, but it's also a wonderful supporting player to any other flavor. As we say in the improv world, vanilla says yes and.